We are pleased to show you the 2017
Buick Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan
and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, fog lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.